Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video we will discuss how you can make a new Git repo on GitHub. So let's head over to Chrome and let us go back, and there's this repository tab over here in your section, profile sections, and you can see all your different repositories that you have created. These are, you can find these in the your repository tab in your profile. If you don't have any, don't worry, we will create a new one. And there is this new button over here. You can click on that to create a new repo, and let's go through all the steps, all the sections step by step. So there is a import repository button. This is actually used to import your repos from different version control systems. You can be using some other ones, so you can import those into GitHub using this section. And if we go back, here we need to provide the repository name. Let's provide QWERTY as a repository name, and QWERTY is available. So the owner would be your name, that is your own repo. And if you have any different kind of owners, or you work in some IT companies, you can have different kind of owners over section over here. You can provide a description to the repository details, like what this repo is all about. We can say it's a test repo for coding. So this is just a description. And after that you have two access control methods, like public and private. You can keep the repo public so anyone on the internet can look into this, they can use the code, they can go through the code. And if you keep it private, only you and someone you selected as the contributors to the repo can use these things. And this is the way to add the access control. After that you can add the readme file. Readme files would be just a more description, more provide description about the repo, some details about them. And the git ignore. Git ignore is like saying to Git what all files not to track. Like GitHub tracks all the files. If you select some of the files over here in the git ignore, so it will generally leave those files for tracking. And after that we have license section. These are different kind of open source licenses that you can use. And once you click on the create repository, you can see your QWERTY repo that we just created has been created, and it has some description that we provided in the readme. And this is how you make a new repo from scratch. I hope you learned something. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.